What are derivatives and why do you need to know? Let's get it, babes. You need to understand what a derivative is because it's going to help expand your mind. The more information you get, it's going to help you make more money in crypto, traditional markets, whatever that may be. And you can determine if trading derivatives is right for you, or you simply want to trade the spot market. Either way, always use disposable income and practice risk management, not financial advice. So today we're going to be taking a look at bybit. But before we go to their derivative platform, I want to tell you what a derivative is. A derivative is a financial contract, and it is set between two or more parties. Essentially, they derive their value from an underlying asset, group of assets, or a benchmark. And derivatives can be traded on OTC, which is over the counter, or an exchange. Prices derive from fluctuations in the underlying asset while we're talking about trading derivatives. And again, they usually leverage instruments which increase their potential risk and rewards. Derivatives include future contracts, forward options, and swaps. And we're talking about using leveraged instruments. That's where it can get a little bit risky. So if you're not an experienced trader or you're not willing to learn on a demo account first, derivatives are not for you. You could get liquidated. So you can go ahead and head over to bybit spot. But let's go ahead and go to the derivatives page. This is the bybit BTC USD inverse perpetual place to trade. And if you want to trade different assets that's not BTC, you can go ahead and do so. They have quite a few different options. And over their derivatives tabs, they have derivatives portal, USDT perpetual, copy trading, USDC contracts, options, all of these things over here. But we're going to take a look at this. And yes, my position is a little bit underwater. I got excited last night. I wanted to long Bitcoin. It didn't work out. That's okay though. I've got my stop set, my take profit, my entry price, all that stuff. So down at the bottom over here, it'll let you know what your position is. And as you can see, it gives you the quantity, the value, entry, mark price, liquid, position margin, unrealized P&L, etc. And of course, the take profit stop loss. And again, this is a very, very tiny position because I don't like to trade with a big stack, especially when I'm being a little bit risky over here. Also, they've got the order book, recent trades, and they have the copy trading. I'm not a big fan of copy trading, but if you like to do it, you've done your due diligence, that's your business. And over here, it's going to let you know, you can go ahead and use different types of positions. I'm using an isolated with 2 times leverage. I personally don't really like to do cross, but if that works for you, great. And you can modify your leverage down over here. Over here is going to be the order price. So that's what the asset is kind of trading at or what you want to buy it at when you're using limits. Limits allow you to dictate. Then they have the order by quantity. It lets you know how much you want to put up. You can buy your long or you can sell your short. I personally, when I use bybit, I like to use this, click this option here, buy long with TPSL. That basically indicates that I'm using a take profit and a stop loss. You can do the same thing with a sell short, and it gives you the ability to practice risk management. Then over here on the take profit area, you would indicate where you want to take profit from. On this particular trade, I wanted to take profit about 31.5. Down over here for stop loss, I have my stop loss here at about 27. And then you can go ahead and indicate that. Go ahead and execute the trade. And this applies for selling or shorting. They also have the market order here, which will allow you to buy right away if you get that FOMO. I'm not a big market person, but do what works for you. And of course, conditional, which allows you to really modify the trade. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope this video made sense to you and understanding what a derivative is. Yes, they can be risky. Yes, I recommend you learning what it is and just not aping into a derivative position because leverage can be a little bit dangerous. As always, do your own due diligence. Do not leave your cryptocurrency on exchanges. Read the terms of services and have a trading investing journal and be very cautious in your positions. Use disposable income. Thanks for watching. Bye.